In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Instagram, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Open Instagram. Now click on a profile picture here at the bottom. Then click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign represents the three bars at the top, okay? Now scroll down. Just scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you see this space for professionals. Under here, you will see two options. There's account type and tools. Then there's Meta Verified. This is applicable when you're using the personal accounts. Those using professional accounts will have to access the creator tools. Then click on Meta Verified. Okay. Then click on Unlock Benefits. Then click on Sign Up. Then add payment options there and everything. For the first month, I'll get free verification. Okay. Then confirm by clicking Continue. Then add your credit card details. By doing this, you'll be able to get the blue badge on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.